Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you don't communicate with your employer, you don't know how to speak English and you don't understand speaking of English, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Okay.
Because if you cannot communicate with the employer, it's a problem also later. Yeah?
Yes,
So you know how to speak English and you can understand English.
yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have one.
Sure. Ah?
Sure, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy,
You're
ma'am.
healthy, there is no declaration in your form.
No, ma'am. Don't have.
Okay. So as I have mentioned many times, if you feel unwell or if you have something inside your body, better don't proceed to work or apply in other countries so that you won't give us problem also at the same time. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
I can see that you have been working in Singapore for 10 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is that suddenly so you come and wanted to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because, ma'am, for 10 years, I thought it was enough already. But it's not enough here in Philippines.
Okay. So Philippines right now is really drastically down, right? Poverty is, you know, so you always remind yourself like that, Karen, okay? We don't force people to come here. You wanted to come and work here because you wanted to earn to sustain your family's needs, knowing that we don't have some opportunities or job opportunities in the Philippines. That's why we wanted to come and work abroad. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Karen Natividad Lopez. I am 38 years old. My birthday is September 25, 1987. I live in Malasig, Burgos, Isabela. My birthplace is also seen in Burgos, Isabela. My height is 5 flat and my weight is 55 kilograms.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single with live-in partner, single mother, or married?
I'm single mom,
Single mother of how many kids?
two kids.
How old are those children?
My daughter is 16 years old and my younger son is 20.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you again. What is your religion?
I'm Christian mom.
What is your educational background?
I'm high school graduate mom in
High school,
2004.
high school graduate. So you mentioned that you are a single parent, right? And you got two
Yes,
kids. So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here?
my sibling. My sibling.
Your sibling. Okay, where is the father of your children? What happened?
We're separated.
Separated, but he is not giving you the money to.
No, ma'am. My daughter, he have her, but my younger one is with me. And now I need to take care for my daughter's studies for going to college.
Okay, so can you tell me more about your family's details?
I have three brother and two sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
The youngest.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is, I don't know where he is right now. My mom already deceased.
Okay. So it's not new for you being a domestic helper because you've been working in Singapore for 1 decade, right? So you already what are the do's and don'ts. So
Yes,
you know that you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, okay? And once terminating of contract is not new for you, you need to have or you have a consequences, right? Which is you need to pay your employer, okay? Because you terminate your contract. So in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2012 to 2022 for 10 years in Singapore in one employer only, right? Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Singapore?
Uh, I work for Indian Singaporean. They have four family members. My boss is my madam and two kids. They are 7 years old and 4 years old.
Okay. You do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time, right? Okay. So you mentioned that you wanted to for good in the Philippines, right? That's why you leave your employer. Why you didn't come back to them? Because you've been working for quite so long. So
Yes,
why
ma'am.
are you not coming back with them? Why did you still choose to come and work here?
I choose to go Malaysia ma'am, because they don't have salary deduction. Uh, Previous that time, 2012, it was 6 months salary deduction. It's a big.
Okay. So you know that Singapore and Malaysia is quite different, okay? You don't need later to compare your employer in Singapore to your employer here in Malaysia. Yeah?
Yes,
Do you have a lot of tattoos in your body?
I have three ma'am, but two is not visible. One is visible.
Can you show me where is your
But
tattoos, okay? And the other one? Visible.
it's
No.
not
Okay.
visible.
Okay. So as I have mentioned many times, it is not new for you. You have 1 decade experience already. So don't get
Yes, ma'am.
culture shock once you come to work here in Malaysia. Singapore is quite different. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is very big. It's no joke. Okay?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
must tell you the reality of working here in Malaysia. The houses here is no joke. It's not an apartment. It's not a condo. Okay? Even the
Yes,
condo here is very big one. So you need to get ready yourself and fasten your seatbelt because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Singapore. Yeah?
I think I have a experience because my previous employer is they have a four-story house.
Okay, that's good lah. So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time? Okay, yeah?
Yes,
So you can take care baby, you can take care elderly also.
yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we just wanted to be clear and be specific in our initial interview that you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours. You can
Yes,
hold
ma'am.
it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start with work. Of course, you are
Yes,
entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now we have 1,800. But if you will work, you're gonna have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay?
I'm okay with it, ma'am.
If you disagree, then better stay in the Philippines or maybe you find another job opportunities in other countries. I just wanted to let you know about this because we don't force people to come here. Okay? We
Yes,
don't want to have some problem. You also don't want to have also some problem, okay? Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. Because in Philippines, there is nothing there. We have an opportunity to other countries, but not in the Philippines. Even though no matter how hard it is for us that we were going to work quite far away from our family, but we need to endure about all these things because we wanted to be
yes,
persevere, right?
yes,
Okay. So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want. It is not new for you, as I have mentioned many times.
yes.
Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here, no such a thing. We need to respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations. Any problem or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
Yes.
Normally, being a single mother, how do you fight your homesickness?
For me, ma'am, I just look at the picture I have already inside my wallet right now.
Okay, so thank you for your time, Karen. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank
Thank
you
you
so
very
much
much.
and have a good day.